Welcome back, everybody. My name's A-Prater54, aka Adam, coach in the Mid-Chesney Park Slowpokes, and today is week number 2 of YCL, and this is my team builder for my matchup against Pokebaldy, coach of the Dundee Darmanitans. He has Iron Moth, Houndstone, Terra Captain Galar Moltres, Quackable, Hippowdon, Screamtail, Copperaja, Regieleki, Low Kicks, and Frostmoth. As you can see on my screen, my two Terra Captains are Gardevoir and Dreadnought. They are both Terra Ground to block and potentially catch Regieleki, which I'm hoping comes. What I'm hoping doesn't come is Low Kicks, Screamtail, and Iron Moth. Anything else that comes, I might have a decent matchup. But in case Low Kicks comes, I have 4 Mons on your screen with Protect. And yeah, that's kind of hindering. The fact that that Mon hits so hard and it's not even a Terra Captain is ridiculous. I just have 252, 252 attack. Choice Banded Arcanine with Flare Blitz to just chunk the Hippowdon. Yeah, I need this Mon, and hopefully it's going to last. Sorry, I gotta catch my breath for a second. I've been struggling with asthma-like symptoms, so can't really overly talk for a long period of time. So if I pause, that's why. The wildfires are really doing us in. Especially for me, that had damage from COVID. Alright, we have 248 HP Donphan, aka Sweet Roll with Sturdy, with 200 attack, and the rest in Spadef, with Earthquake, Ice Shard, Rapid Spin, and Knockoff. I want to be able to take a +2 Nasty Plotted Fiery Wraith and get off a hit on Galar Moltres if it comes. We have Physical Walking Wake with Protect, Outrage, Dragon Dance, and Liquidation. Granted, I wish I could have had a different move besides Protect, but again, the Low Kicks. This is Eevee to get an attack boost of the booster energy. If I could get to +2 speed, +3 attack, even bulky Mon like Screamtail and Hippowdon cannot live the liquidation. I just have to get to that point. The problem is Screamtail gets Encore and Thunder Wave. If it has either of those, I'm in trouble and I can't risk it. Like say I Dragon Dance and it Encored me while I'm stuck in that. I am EV'd on this to take a Dazzling Gleam from +1 Screamtail and be able to set up and then attack over the top of it. I'm hoping it goes for damage. Worst case scenario is any of his team having red card or white herb because of my Dreadnought set and my Walking Wake set. Mirror Herb I can see on the Houndstone, on Quackable, or the Iron Moth if it comes. Worst case scenario, if it's Mirror Herb Low Kicks, I just instantly lose because I cannot take a hit. It's as simple as that. If Low Kicks gets +2 attack, it's over. It's literally over. There's not a single thing on my team that wants to take a combination of an Axe Kick, Sucker Punch, Throat Chop, or a just X Scissor, or a First Impression. Everything just drops except for Donphan. And if there's hazards up, Sturdy doesn't stop it. So if that's the case, you get +2 speed Low Kicks on your hand, I just get absolutely bopped. That is my worst fear. So I am Swift Swim Dreadnought with Shell Smash White Herb, because if I set Rain with Grafai, I can outspeed the Mirror Herb Mon, which is very crucial. So I can get a boosted liquidation, plus 4 speed in rain. As long as I have the rain terms, the mirror won't matter. If I can get that pivotal moment up and just get the 50-50 right on shell smashing in the rain, this game is winnable. I just need to have rain turns, which is why I'm regretting having Black Sludge on Grafai. Like, this is just a gut feeling going into this match that I'm going to need 8 turns of rain, and this is just going to hurt me. But I also have Protect on this as well, which I would have preferred to have Gunk Shot or run Switcheroo with a choice move and cripple things, but it is what it is. Originally, I was Poison Choice Band Switcheroo to give a choice item to Goltress, or to just poison things on contact, but Covert Cloak is a thing, and I did not want to risk Iron Malt is blowing me back. So it is what it is. I am Copycat to steal Last Respects. Low kicks and Goltress are the only things stopping it, and the resistance in Kaparaja. Because he doesn't, I don't believe he has a normal type. So Copycat Grafai with a choice fan could have easily just ran him over, as long as a dark type's gone in the back. He might, once he sees Grafai, immediately get rid of Houndstone, just so I can't Last Respects, which is something I would be appreciative of. And then we have Gardevoir with Protect as well because of low kicks, and then we have Grass Knot for Hippowdon, Moonblast to spam into everything else, and then Shadow Ball. Not having Life Orb might break me, or just become crucial. So we'll just see what happens. Having Protect over Psychic is very, very hurtful. It's just the power of low kicks, and that's all we can do. But anyways, when it cuts back to, we'll do the battle, and hopefully I'm not struggling too much to keep focus. Like I said, these asthma-like symptoms are brutal, and it's been a struggle to just even want to stay awake. Can't when it's toxic air around you and you have bad lungs. It is what it is. See you guys soon. Alright, we are back for the battle. Hippowdon, Quackable, Houndstone, Iron Moth, Screamtail, and Galar Moltres with no low kicks. No Regieleki. Alright, so believe I just lead Arcanine. This is not what I was expecting at all. I was expecting so much more. Sorry, bear with me. For those of you that know, Canada's on fire right now, and our air index is roughly 210 quality right now, which means it's literal smoke outside. It's almost close enough to be a fog, and it can be toxic, especially if you are immunocompromised. So I'm dealing with that. My immune system's not exactly the strongest. So we're just going to just deal with it and try to minimize how much I talk. Luckily, I've been inside the last few days, so that's not really a huge issue. Alright. I'm just going to do this again. Because he's going to want to go for rocks here. Well, I'm just going to do it again. I don't care if I fall asleep. Hippowdon's gone. Let's go. I can go night-night. I don't care. Oh, wait. I do care. There's a Quackable. Did I just choke? I'm gonna do this one more time. That hurt. Life orb. I want to wake up. That's fine. I need a confirmation on your ability. Shadow Ball. I'll take the trade for Arc for Hippowdon any day. I went Gardevoir just in case you were Manual Sand. And you are not Scarf, you are Life Orb. That's fine. Dragon Dance. Oh wait, what am I doing? Liquidation. That's fine. Poison Fang. Copycat. Rain Dance. Excuse me. You make the read and you go immediate Giga Drain. Granted, I should not have sacked my God of War. That's fine. Do I 50-50 here? Earthquake. This should be enough. This should be enough. That was not a crit on that. This isn't enough. I'm sad. Earthquake. You have no switching. You do. You have the freaking thing. He goes Goltros here. He goes Goltros here. Boo. Interesting. We swap. Maybe I should have been Damp Rock over Black Sludge. Live. Live and get a hit off. Get a hit off. Poison this bitch. Let's go! Protect. Alright, I need to guarantee make sure I'm faster. Nope, fuck, I should have shell smashed in front of the Quackable. And I should have went for the second Poison Fang. That's on me. I lost this because I'm playing fucking stupid. GG, Pokebaldy. That's on me. There's several instances in that battle where I could have just shell smashed and I didn't. It's on me. It's it's rather upsetting, but this is what happens when you try and play when you're struggling and sick. And I should have just thought things through. And I didn't, but that's on me. And I lost 4-0, that's fine. I was too hesitant. It's fine. Oh, hopefully I feel better next week. Because this has been an absolute struggle. I'm glad we finally played the game, and I only have myself to blame for the loss. It is what it is. At any point I could have brought in Griffey to steal last respect, but I didn't. That's on me. A few other things I could have done differently, but hey, it is what it is. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and enjoy.